The mission of Vandelay is to provide affordable hands-on training for vocational students across the United States.
A lot of people don't realize dental assistants are vital to a dental practice.
Education is expensive and it's an investment in yourself, but it doesn't have to be a burden that you suffer with forever. And if you think about it, if you can streamline the process of education and they're getting out sooner to start working.
If I don't use my office on the downtime, then it's just overhead that's unused. That's kind of a waste.
In my case, it's honestly some wonderful passive income.
Most offices don't work 7 to 7 days a week. They're not open 24 hours beyond that, you know?
We partner with doctors and they entrust us with sharing their space.
Vandelay has been great at earning my trust. You know, yes, your facility is getting used, but Vandelay takes great care of your facility.
Simply by loaning out your office space when you're not there.
The secret of doing this is the team that we've established. We have a strong culture.
I'm pretty specific, like most dentists. I like things and I like certain things organized a certain way, and I gave them an outline overview of what I wanted. And
I mean, we've had, I guess, 3 or 4 years of classes. I think we've graduated at least 20 classes.
I've been doing this, I've lost track for several years. I don't even know how many years now, and it's been amazing. I wouldn't be doing it if it wasn't a great relationship.
Fortunately, I've actually hired a couple of the students that have gone through our program.
So it's nice to have that relationship with Vandelay where I can call the instructors and say, can you please send me your top students? Send me all the resumes you have, especially your top students.
But one of the principles of having a successful office is certainly having a team that works with you.